This shit again.
You heard about this nigga Jamal Wade?
Gotta run this money.
Girl, this nigga is popping. Yes, girl, period.
All these motherfucking questions
Girl, he
asking
getting
me.
all this cash. I'ma need some of that.
Like they know me.
Yo, what's poppin'? What's good, gang? You already know what it is, man. Jamal Wade, and I'm back with another video. Also, if you haven't yet, go cop some merch. Jamal Wade, you already know Forever Paid, man. You can check it out on my website at realjamalwade.com/foreverpaid merch. You already know what it is, man. I'll be sure to leave a little link in the description for y'all to click it and go check it out, because that's what we here for, man. We here to support each other. That's what we do. And in today's video, you know, I'm going to show you guys how to officially start a YouTube channel, how to get it popping, you know what I'm saying? So, if ain't nothing else to say, I don't know what else to say, but let's get into the video. So, as you guys can see right here, you know what I'm saying, I just created the YouTube channel. It's called It's Tech For Me, you know what I'm saying? I'm starting this new YouTube, you feel me? I'm going to be uploading technical stuff, all that gadget gizmos. You already know what it is, man. So, with that being said, as you can see right here, I got 0 subscribers, no subscribers. So this is a fresh channel, y'all. You know what I'm saying? There's no gimmicks to it, no videos uploaded. But let's get into it. So if you go right here, you know what I'm saying, you click on your little icon. Let's see, right here. You go ahead and go down to your channel. Bada bing, bada boom. We're going to go here, you know what I'm saying? We on the channel, customize channel. And just for y'all to know, there's so much stuff that you can put information in here to, you know, optimize your channel and to get it so it stands out to the fans and it stands out to the people who want to subscribe to your channel. So as we go right here, we want to go first, we want to go to settings, okay? If you're in the United States, obviously you want your currency to be US dollars, you know what I'm saying? So that's default. Make sure that's US dollars. You're getting paid in United States dollars. If you're in another country, obviously you'll switch it to your currency. So you go to your channel, right? And I think that I did actually create this a while back. It was supposed to be like a beat channel. I was planning on getting to beats, but you know, I already do music and I'm kind of like, okay, let me try something new, you know? So keyword, we'll put in tech. You know what I'm saying? That'll be one. And I just want to give y'all a little heads up on this. You know what I'm saying? There's this third-party application that you can use called Tubebuddy. And I recently just signed up for it. You know what I'm saying? I think it's very helpful. You can search keywords, you know what I'm saying? How to use tech, new tech 2021. Now I'm just going off the whim with this right now. Eventually I'm gonna switch these keywords up to optimize the channel even more, because that's what you need to do. In order to get your channel optimized to its best ability, you want to make sure that it has the keywords to fit your niche, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? So next thing we'll go to advanced setting. Now this is more in depth with it. You know what I'm saying? This channel is not set for kids. Obviously, it's by default. Now, if you want to, you can do that. Yes, set this channel for kids if you want to. That's only if you want to. Now, I haven't yet to connect the Google AdSense account to this, because I already got another Google account where my Google AdSense is connected to it. But if you like to, you can just link your account. You know, click on that. It'll take you to Google AdSense. And you'll be able to click it and put in your information, such as your website, you know, your bank information, your tax W-9 form, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to make another video for that one. So stay tuned in. You know what I'm saying? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notification, because that's what we about around here. This is the YouTube community. You feel me? So with that being said, we're going to go down here. Now, you actually have an option to display your people subscribe to your channel if you want to. You know what I'm saying? I say, hey, why not? The more the merrier. When people see you got, you know, 100 subscribers, they like, okay, they doing good for themselves. Let me subscribe. Especially if you got good content. You bringing that authentic, real, good content. You feel me? So, with that being said, you got your upload default. As of right now, I'm not going to put a title in here. If you want to, once you start getting into uploading videos, you can start adding in your description for your videos, you know what I'm saying, by default. Also tell your viewers what the video is about. Me, I personally rather just upload a video and then me manually go in there and actually type it in myself, just so that I know that I'm putting the right information and I just don't have the same information posting for multiple videos. You feel me? Alright, visibility, if you want to, you can make it public, private, or unlisted. Public, obviously, is when you decide that you want to let everybody see it as soon as it's upload. Private is, obviously, is private. Unlisted is only those who actually want, only those with the link can actually see it. So if they have the link, they'll be able to see it. So if you want to kind of share the video a few days prior, or say the video has dropped, you know, that night, and you want to, you know, let a couple of your friends see it, but you don't want, you know, the YouTube community to see it, you can actually send this link to them and it will still count as a view. Heads up, it will still count as a view, you know, so that's a dope thing. Tag, same thing, you know what I'm saying, it's tech for me. That's going just one little tag right now, you know what I'm saying. This is obviously a project channel. This is me just showing you guys a tutorial on how to get a YouTube channel up and running, you know what I'm saying, from your desktop. I recommend do it from a laptop or a desktop. Don't try to make it on your phone. You can, but it just takes a little longer and you don't want to be sitting there doing all that. You know, you want to save the information right here. My bad, guys. I kind of got my camera in the way right now, so I'm kind of like winging it. Okay, so we'll go back in here real quick. Let's see. So I'm gonna go back into settings. My bad, guys. Manage permission. That's only if you get your branded account. You know, you can actually have an owner or somebody else doing it. Y'all gotta apologize about the background. You know what I'm saying? A little noisy in the background, but we gonna get past that. You know. So agreements, you know, once you start getting more into YouTube, you can actually start, you know, getting agreements with them, like the YouTube partner program, you know what I'm saying, monetizing your channel and stuff like that. Moderators, you know what I'm saying, if you gotta use it, you want to add as a moderator to keep your channel, you know, clean cut, you know, stuff like that. Okay, so we're gonna close up out of this, you know what I'm saying. Branding, if you want to, you know, you can upload a default picture right here. Change the default picture. I believe I have a default picture somewhere in here, so we're gonna get to it. Let's see if I got it. Yeah, it's tech for me. Oh, look at it. Bada bing, bada boom. Y'all actually watching this channel grow. Like, y'all gonna watch this channel grow because I'm gonna make sure I make videos on this channel based off my actual YouTube channel that I have, so you guys can see the growth. Because it's so much more to be done, you know what I'm saying? We're just getting started. Literally, we're just getting started. So, you know what I'm saying? I got a little background. You know what I'm saying? Bada bing, bada boom. Mr. Tech for me. All I need is tech. Hey. You know what I'm saying? Nice little background. Now, I have my own actual watermark. Now, you can create your watermark if you want to. All you got to do is Google watermark. And there's sites out there that can take a PNG and turn it into a watermark for you. For right now, I'm just going to leave it as Forever Paid. As you already know, because that's my label, that's who I represent, that's who I am, Forever Paid, Jamal Wade. Go cop the merch. So, you know, you want to publish that. Don't forget to publish every time you do something, or save, because it will not save if you don't. Basic info. So, as you guys can see right here, I already made a description. Welcome to the official channel of It's Tech For Me. While surfing throughout this channel, you will find the latest information on mankind's newest technology. People from different walks of life are intrigued by the way technology is progressing as it pursues rates shaping our lives into the digital world. With the new tech trending being introduced every quarter and information becoming obsolete as technology evolves, it is now obligated to stay relevant and learn about the newest technologies. Digital, industry, social media, and web in general. Be sure to like and comment. Stay updated on what's next to come. You know, something simple. Obviously, when you start your YouTube channel, you know, you can go ahead and integrate whatever you want into your description. You know what I'm saying? As of right now, you'll have a channel URL. This is what you can send to people, copy, send it on Facebook, stuff like that. You know what I'm talking about? If you have any links to your sites that you want to share with your viewers, like a Twitter or Instagram or Facebook, this is the place where you'll click and add your links. You know what I'm saying? You add your little title, Twitter. Now, mind you, I have yet to make a Twitter and a Facebook and an Instagram for this, but I will in the near future. I will make a video on that as well. But for right now, we're just going to leave that blank. Contact information, if you want to, you can put in your business information. I'm not going to put any information in right now because the channel is just getting started. So we'll go over here, publish that. Now, let's go back up to your dashboard. You know, as you can see, 0 subscribers, no videos uploaded. Let's go to here. You know, I'm not gonna switch my account. We can go back to your channel. Now, as you guys can see, obviously the little things that I have tweaked and I've done, it's not that much, you know what I'm saying? But this is how you create a YouTube channel. You have a Google email that you sign into, and it will create your YouTube account. Most people, if you have a, let me tell you this, if you have a Google account, you have a YouTube account, because Google owns YouTube and they want people to use their Google accounts for their YouTube. So do that, you know what I'm saying? Get creative, come up with a niche, upload videos, stay consistent. I would recommend at least 33 videos, you know, once you start getting into it. I know it sounds like a lot, but that's not a lot once you start, you know, with the momentum and you get everything popping. You feel me? Everything takes time. This is not something that's going to happen overnight. Figure out a day that you want to upload, whether it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Or if you would like to upload 3 times in a week, do that. If you want to upload 7 times in a week, do that. It's better for your algorithm. You know, this is something that's going to help you. So as you can see right here, you got powered by vidIQ. A lot of people are using this to actually optimize their actual YouTube, and you need this when you start your YouTube, because when you start uploading videos, nobody knows who you are. You have to optimize it to get the search engine SEO, search engine optimization. You have to use this in order to get your fans and your subscribers and your family and everybody to say, oh, hey, it's Tech for me. Look, he's starting a YouTube channel, and this is how he did it. It's simple, guys. You guys want to get on this. There's a lot of YouTubers out there that I've been covering. Shout out to Make Money Mike, I believe. You know what I'm saying? Let me make sure I got his name right. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I did. Make Money Mike. So this is what I was saying right here. Simple. This is a keyword. I use Tubebuddy. You know what I'm saying? Use the little search engine keywords. And as of right now, Make Money Matt. I'm sorry. I called him Mike. I'm sorry. Matt, if you see this video one day, I'm sorry. Don't judge me. It was not my intentions to call you Mike. I meant to call you Matt. But as you can see right here, you know, this video right here, he goes into depth. We're not going to get into the ad. You know, shout out to Make Money Matt. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, this video is all about him showing how to create a YouTube in 2021. So shout out to him. But we're going to get back into it's Tech for me. As you can see, if I refresh the page, voila, you know, simple. So with that being said, guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification. If you haven't yet, start a YouTube channel. This is me letting you guys know it doesn't matter what you want to start it on. You can start it on clothing, shoes, animals, anything, TikTok videos. I mean, the list goes on, you know. But I'm also learning that the how-tos, the educational videos are the most important videos to do, because those are the videos that draw in a lot of traffic, because the search engine has used, collected so much information on this, because people type in how to start a YouTube channel, how to grow on YouTube. The list goes on. All you have to do is research it, type it into the search engine, it'll pop up. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to click on the notification, turn on post notification, hit that subscribe button. Don't be scared. Hit it, do it. You know what you need to do. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, it's Jamal Wade, and you already know, man, I'm out.
Yeah, let's get all the shit that I've been through. You would've thought that a nigga been on. Sometimes shit go wrong. Them cold nights slept on the floor.